I really mean this. I really mean this, and she knows I mean it. I hate you guys for leaving. I really hate you guys for that. Audition hogi. Yeah.
I got this feeling inside.
How much do you love grade 11?
They're good.
Okay.
The most, they're really good.
Guys, how much do you love grade 11?
Oh, they're so nice. Oh my god.
Yay!
Okay, how much do you love grade 11? Be honest.
So much.
No, be honest. Guys, how much
guys.
do you love grade 11?
A lot.
Okay.
Guys, do you have anything to say to grade 11?
I love you, Jamil.
Umar, do you have anything to say to grade 11? Jami, do you have anything to say to grade 11?
They're complete opposites.
Heather, do you have something to say to grade 11? Heather, what about Heather?
Now, farewell Khaldunia. And I just want to say farewell to my best friend Mushwe. And Mushwe plays the best in football. So I want to say keep your game up, Mushwe. Farewell. That's it.
So, last year was the first time that I got close to everyone in grade 11. And literally each and every person in grade 11 has been special to me. And Khaldunia, honestly, I say this every time about every batch, but honestly Khaldunia will not be the same without them. Every single personality in grade 11 is different, and all of them just make up to make great friends and great seniors. I honestly could not have asked for more supportive and amazing seniors. From you have Zain, Roman, and I could go on and on. I could name each and every person in this class and tell them how special they are. Everyone has been supportive to my bad and good times, and it's just so funny. And even in football, in the part, they always include you. I'm lost, and I honestly don't know what to say. But I hope you all know that I love you all, and Khaldunia will never, ever, ever be the same without you. And I want my treatment for this. Love you.
So what would you like to say about them as a class? How are they?
Well, they are very close to my heart. It was an amazing class and I had a great time teaching them. It was a learning process as well.
So what advice would you like to give them?
Never change. They are amazing. I want them to stay the way they are. They are perfect.
I have best wishes for them, and I would say that they should focus on their studies when they are going to join A level, and they should concentrate on their career.
So, do you have any memory, anything that you would like to share about how they contributed to the school?
They have been always contributing for the school. They worked hard. They brought awards from outside when they participated in the debates. So you brought laurel for the Khaldunia. This is wonderful.
Assalamu alaikum. I just want to say that I wish all of you all the best in your life. Be yourself and do your best, and inshallah you will come across very good things in your life.
So what's your best memory with this class?
Best memory with the grade 11. I have spent less time with them, but still they are good friends of me. They come to me, they share different things with me, and I really love them.
So what do you like about them as a class?
As a class, I think they are really like it. Everybody has their own personality, but they all are good. I really like them. They are just like my friends.
Who do you think is most likely to be a stand-up comedian?
Mushfiq?
Who do you think is most likely to be a successful sportsman?
I think Roman.
Who do you think is most likely to be Prime Minister of Pakistan?
Prime Minister of Pakistan. I think Munazza.
Yes. So who do you think is most likely to end up in jail for a day?
Archana Jamil.
Who do you think is most likely to be a radio talk show host?
Alexis.
What advice would you give them for the future?
Advice. They should believe in themselves and they should stay positive. Always. This is not an ending, it's the beginning of a new journey. They should be positive and they should believe their.
You know, I think there is so much more to a person than what they show us in their academics.
And if you look at this class of 2017, they've got some very, very interesting people in there. You know, all the big names of Khaldooni are in there. You've got Munazza, you've got Shehram, you've got Saad, amazing people. And then you've got the musicians, you've got Arsalan, and you've got Sulaiman Haider, who I believe is a world-class guitarist. And then you've got some multi-talented, incredible people like Eliza, who can do practically everything. And then Mushfe, the boy with the heart of gold. And then, you know, there are some children in this class who you don't see doing lots of things visibly, you don't see them active in events, but they are absolute gems. I mean, if you look at Ahmed Abid, he's such a gentleman. Look at Wajahat, such an incredibly wonderful person. And then if you look at Umar Abdullah, for example, you know, did you know that he's a world-class golf player? Okay, so and then there's Hadin. I mean, such a dependable person. You give a task to Hadin and you just have to forget about it because you know it's going to be done. He's so dependable, such an amazing person. I've worked with him and I've never ever had me in such a comfort zone because you know that Hadin's going to do it. So he's a wonderful person. And then there's people like Nina who are so unique, so mysterious, and so amazing. You know, you sit and talk with her for a while and you'll be enlightened by so many interesting things. So wonderful bunch of children, and I may not have spoken everyone's name out, but everyone is a gem, and my you know, heartfelt wishes and good luck is with them. May they succeed in everything they do. Take care of yourself.
ये इन बच्चों का मैं इतनी शुक्रगुजार हूँ। ये इतने बच्चे प्यार करने वाले हैं, जो मोहब्बत करने वाले बच्चे हैं, बहुत अच्छे हैं। सहन बहुत मोहब्बत करता है और बड़ा उनमें अखलाक है, बहुत प्यार है। तो पूरी क्लास के लिए मैं शुक्रगुजार हूँ। हमारे साथ अच्छा तावन गुजार किया, अच्छी मोहब्बत की और बोल चाल उनका इतना अच्छा से। आप जहाँ भी जाएँ और खुदा हमेशा इनको खुश रखे और कामयाबी करे, हमारी यही दुआ है। Thank you.
I just found out grade 11 is graduating. Okay, Mushfe, if you see this, I wish you all the best. So all the best, all of you, not only Mushfe, everyone from grade 11, all the best for your future. I wish you all the very best, and you guys are simply the best. And I think, as of yet, the best seniors, and the ones I've seen. So yeah, bye bye.
हाँ जी, आज जिस क्लास के बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं वो है ग्रेड 11, और ये वो क्लास है जब मैंने स्कूल ज्वाइन किया तो ये लोग ग्रेड 2 या 3 में थे मेरे ख्याल में। तो आज अब वो ग्रेड 11 में है और वो जा रहे हैं स्कूल से। कुछ आपको पता अच्छा भी नहीं लग रहा है कि वो जा रहे हैं। लंबा अरसा गुजरा उनके साथ, तकरीबन जब वो बच्चे थे, आज वो पौधे थे छोटे छोटे, अब वो दरख्त बन गए। तो अच्छी क्लास है, सब लोग अच्छे हैं, कुछ एकेडमिकली अच्छे हैं, कुछ स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छे हैं, कुछ का बिहेवियर बहुत अच्छा है, और ओवरऑल बहुत अच्छी क्लास है। गुड लक फॉर द फ्यूचर।
आपको सबसे ज़्यादा तंग कौन करता है?
मुझे तंग करने वालों में सबसे पहले जो है ना वो साइन है। लेकिन उस तरह तंग नहीं करता, लेकिन बस वैसे ही छेड़खानी ये वो। सबसे ज़्यादा मदद मेरी भी साइम ने की, वजाहत ने की, और इस स्पोर्ट्स डे पे सबसे आगे जो था, मतलब मुझसे भी आगे, वो रुमान था। और रुमान ने बहुत काम किया, बहुत मेहनत की, और थैंक्स टू रुमान।
चलो अल्लाह खैर करेगा, अल्लाह खैर, ठीक है।
Don't make it sound so forced. We will. Like, we really will.
Yeah, we will.
No, honestly, I don't know what I'll do with no Munazza at Total Race, or no Charam to give me gum, or no Lathani to make what comments. And Abdullah with his weird dark humor and consistent shadow of depressingness.
And see, I don't know why I said that. That doesn't make sense. But he knows that it makes sense. I think.
Class of 2017, right? They've been an interesting lot, full of characters, I would say that. There's Munazza on top of the list, who comes here every day. She has an opinion about everything, which is mostly a good thing. Till the time you have to come up with an answer to have your point get across through to her. Then there's Arsalan. For everything, the only thing I've come up with is that he has to sing a song for me. That's the way I put him in detention. So now he owes me 19 songs. So he's up to that. He owed me 25. It's up to 19 now. And Roman, well, he's always there in this office on that chair. And sometimes he comes with sign, and all they want to talk about is matches. That they want to have a match with sometimes this school or the other. That's all they want. And when I tell them that, if there's something that needs to be done, then it has to be kind of a bot kind of a thing. Okay, I know a uniform, if let us go to play with Westminster. That's how it is over here. But overall, they're a very interesting, I like them. They're nice.
I love all of them, and I'm going to miss them a lot. But they're an interesting bunch of kids. And last year when I was teaching them, Arsalan Jameel was in the class, and he would always insist on giving narratives and all. Whenever I would give something else, he would always stand up and he would, he's got a very loud voice, so sometimes I would actually get scared. I would never own up to it, but I would actually get scared once or twice when I was doing something and I heard this loud noise in the class. It was actually very, very scary. So Ma'am Farah might remember something else. Well, work hard for whatever you want to achieve. Yes, work hard, I agree, but party hard as well, because that's also part of life, and I don't think you guys need a lot of practice doing that. Partying, yes.
Who is most likely to be a poet?
I think Zen has the capability, and Manazza if she's in the right mood, but yeah, I think so.
Who is most likely to be a model?
A model? Manu Rasad.
Who is most likely to be a radio show host?
Shana Mehmet.
Who is most likely to be incredibly suicidal? We're gonna miss you so much. Yeah, guys, we will miss you so much. And oh yes, Manazza, you were in our class, remember?
I'm pretty sure she remembers, yes.
And one thing which I really like about that class is like they're really cooperative. Unlike our class, I'm saying and I never thought that they were like responsible, but they are actually quite responsible. Like Roman, pehle I thought कि like you banda kya sports secretary banega, but then you actually helped us a lot, like secretary. I know you guys from like grade 3. Yeah, I was in grade 2 and you guys were in grade 3, so shut up, we're gonna miss every single one of you. All the guys are nice, honestly, all the guys are nice from the class. Yeah, and Arsalan Jameel, who's always there to steal your food. Yeah, and take money from you and fund. But Arsalan will be there, like, if I need him, he's not that much of a bad guy. So, yeah, we're gonna miss you guys a lot. And then, okay. I'm gonna miss you all, but like Arsalan, thanks for hitting me, thanks for stealing my money, stealing my food. Remember when you ball my head and I had to get checked? Thanks for that, thanks for eating my food, thanks for punching me, punching me, eating my food, stealing my money.
This class is one of the best class I have. Especially in this class, the student which is number 1, that is Dr. Hadim. Then Dr. Manazza, then Dr. Khadija, Dr. Shahram, examination. By the way, I hope and inshallah I believe that all of them they will get A star in biology. Any question?
अच्छी क्लास थी, तमीज़दार बहुत, क्योंकि मैंने इनको 7वीं, 8वीं, 9वीं, 10वीं 4 जमातें पढ़ाई, 4 साल मैंने इनको पढ़ाया। और इसमें अरसलान जो है सबसे पहले जब आया था तो इसने मुझे बहुत हैरान किया। हमारे मुकाबला था, उसमें अरसलान ने बहुत हैरान किया मुझे, इतना अच्छा वो बोला और इतनी अच्छी उसने वो कहानी सुनाई। 7वीं जमात में थे हम लोग, वो जो भी हमारा मुकाबला था उसमें और उन्हें इनाम भी मिला था, यानी बेस्ट था।
खदीजा,
बेस्ट मेमोरी मेरी खदीजा ना, उसने उर्दू बहुत अच्छी सीखी और बहुत बेचारी ने मुश्किलों से सीखी, लेकिन वाकई उसने बहुत मेहनत करके सीखी और अब अक्सर रिश्ते मुझसे उर्दू में बात करती है, उर्दू में जोक शरारतें हम बहुत सारी की है, सलाम ने की बहुत ज़्यादा, क्लास में अक्सर पेपर बॉल मारनी, काम नहीं करना, कॉपी छुपा देना, कॉपी बैग में रख देना, दूसरों की कॉपियाँ छुपा देना, किताबें जिसने काम ना किया हो ना, उसने जिसने काम किया हुआ हो उसकी कॉपी राइट कर लेंगे, पागल कर देना। वजाहत, साइम, अब्दुल्ला और काफ़ी बच्चों ने मुझे आखिर में काम करके दिया, लेकिन जो काम किया वो कमाल कर दिया, बड़ी मेहनत की। मुश्किल भी अपनी ज़ात में एक अंजमन ही है वैसे। मैं जहाँ रहें खुश रहें, अच्छे हैं, शरारतें भी की, तंग भी किया, लेकिन इतना तंग ना करो कि अगला बंदा जिची हो जाए। लेकिन बहरहाल बहुत अच्छी क्लास थी मेरी, बहुत इन्होंने मेरे साथ कोऑपरेट किया और जो कहा सुना आखिर में।
ग्रेड 11 मोस्ट फेवरेट क्लास रही है कि इसकी वजह ये थी कि बड़े कोऑपरेटिव, खासकर साइंस क्योंकि उसके साथ खेलना और आगे बहुत सारी बातें करना वो सारा अच्छा था, खासकर बुझावत और ये सर विकी करते थे अच्छा रहा ये सारे स्टूडेंट। बाकी ये है कि पूरी क्लास अपनी धुन में मगन रहती है, ठीक है, साथ जैसे लोग हैं अब अपने कामों में अपनी जगह पे बस सेटल है, ठीक है, साथ है। बाकी खदीजा मोस्ट फेवरेट, क्योंकि जब भी वो सूट मारेगी हमेशा काफ़ी अच्छी क्लास है, सारी क्लास बहुत अच्छी है, ठीक है, उनके लिए बहुत बहुत दुआएं हैं हमारी दिल से कि जहाँ भी जाएं खुश रहें, अपना नाम रोशन करें, दुनिया का नाम रोशन करें और हमें हमेशा हमेशा याद रहेगा कि ये हमारे स्कूल।
What's the funniest thing that's ever happened in class?
Arsalan's guitar, I think. Arsalan, every time I used to enter the class, he would say, "Ma'am, I want to go to the bathroom."
And would you not do that?
And it was so annoying. So, Abdullah is always willing to go out to leave the class. I will miss Eliza. Without hard work, intelligence does not work. So throughout your life, you have to work, till you achieve your goal. And dreams can also turn to reality. You see, if you just work hard, people we talk about dreams, we talk about taking dreams. Life seriously. Oh, I dream about this, I dream about that. You can fulfill that dream. Hard work. And I think all of them, inshallah, they will do well. Inshallah.
Okay, the 11th grade, I've had a lot of fun teaching them this year. Because we've been doing a lot of different things like critical thinking skills, and I've found some amazing things have come out of their discussions and their talk, and I must say I've enjoyed in that sense having them as my class. I would like to wish them great success and great vision, and at the same time great humility. I think it's very important for them to recognize that what they have is unique and wonderful. What makes them special is themselves, their particular skills, their particular ideas, their particular thoughts. And it's very important that they learn to use them for the betterment of the world, as you may call it. And I would like to see them come back some years later and have something to offer the people of Pakistan and to Khaldunia School. Thanks.
We will call this place our home, the dirt in which our roots may grow.
Though the storms will push and pull, we will call this place our home. We'll tell our stories on these walls. Every year measure how tall. And just like a work of art, we'll tell our stories on these walls. Let the years we're here be kind, be kind. Let our hearts like doors open wide, open wide. Settle our bones like wood over time, over time. Give us bread, give us salt, give us wine. A little broken, a little new. We are the impact and the glue, capable of more than we know. We call this fixer our home. With each year our color fades, slowly our paint chips away. But we will find the strength and the nerve it takes to repaint and repaint and repaint every day. Let the years we're here be kind.
One, two, three. Bye bye, grade 11. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, grade 11. We love you, grade 11. Do it now. Someone say bye loudly.
Give us bread, give us salt, give us wine. Give us bread, give us salt, give us wine.